Welcome to our video on creating the perfect diet plan for weight loss. If you've been searching for a sustainable and effective weight loss diet plan, then you're in the right place. In this video, we'll walk you through a meal plan for weight loss that is simple, healthy, and easy to follow. Whether you're looking for a diet plan to lose weight fast or a full-day diet plan for weight loss, we've got you covered. If you're ready to kickstart your weight loss journey with a simple and effective diet plan, make sure to like this video and hit subscribe for more healthy tips and tricks to help you achieve your goals. Balanced diet components. To achieve weight loss, a balanced diet must include a variety of nutrients that fuel your body while helping you shed extra pounds. Here's a breakdown of the key components and some examples. 1. Proteins. Proteins are essential for building and repairing tissues, and they help you feel full longer, reducing overeating. Examples: lean meats like chicken breast or turkey, plant-based options like lentils, chickpeas, and tofu, eggs, Greek yogurt, cottage cheese. 2. Healthy fats. Fats can be part of a weight loss diet if they come from healthy sources. They support brain health and provide long-lasting energy. Examples: avocados, nuts, like almonds and walnuts, seeds, such as chia and flax seeds, olive oil, fatty fish like salmon or mackerel. 3. Complex carbohydrates. Unlike refined carbs, complex carbohydrates provide sustained energy and are rich in fiber, which supports digestion and helps control hunger. Examples: whole grains like quinoa, oats, and brown rice, sweet potatoes, whole wheat bread or pasta, legumes such as black beans and kidney beans. 4. Fiber. Fiber aids digestion, keeps you full, and regulates blood sugar levels, which are crucial for weight management. Examples: fruits like apples, oranges, and pears, and vegetables like broccoli, spinach, and carrots, whole grains and seeds. 5. Vitamins and minerals. Micronutrients are vital for overall health and metabolism. Focus on eating a colorful variety of foods to ensure you're getting enough vitamins and minerals. Examples: leafy greens like kale and Swiss chard, rich in vitamin C, K, and iron, bell peppers and citrus fruits, high in vitamin C, dairy or fortified plant-based milk, for calcium and vitamin D, bananas, great source of potassium. 6. Hydration. Staying hydrated is essential for optimal metabolism and reducing cravings. Examples: plain water, herbal teas, infused water with lemon, cucumber, or mint. Example: full-day diet plan. Here's a sample full-day diet plan for weight loss that you can try. Morning, 7 a.m. Start your day with a glass of lukewarm water and lemon juice for detoxification. 2. Breakfast. A bowl of oatmeal topped with fresh fruits like berries or banana, and a handful of nuts. Mid-morning snack, 10 a.m. A handful of almonds or walnuts and a cup of green tea. Green tea is known for its fat-burning properties. Lunch, 1 p.m. Grilled chicken or tofu with a large serving of mixed greens, quinoa, and a light vinaigrette dressing. This is a perfect diet plan to lose weight fast while staying nutritious. Afternoon snack, 4 p.m. A smoothie made with spinach, pineapple, and Greek yogurt. It's both refreshing and filling. Dinner, 7 o'clock. Grilled salmon or paneer with steamed vegetables like broccoli, zucchini, and carrots. Optional late snack, 9 p.m. A cup of chamomile tea and a few slices of cucumber. Tips to maximize results. 1. Stay hydrated. Drink at least 8-10 glasses of water daily. 2. Meal prep for weight loss. Planning your meals ahead of time can prevent unhealthy choices. 3. Portion control. Avoid overeating by using smaller plates and eating mindfully. 4. Include seasonal foods. For example, a winter diet plan for weight loss could include soups and warm herbal teas. 5. Consistency is key. Stick to your plan and avoid skipping meals. Adapting your diet plan for specific needs. 1. For women, a weight loss diet plan for women may need to include additional iron and calcium-rich foods. 2. Indian diet option. An Indian diet plan for weight loss could include dal, roti, sabzi, and curd in appropriate portions. 3. Quick fat loss. For those looking for a diet plan for fat loss, reduce refined carbs and focus on high-protein meals. Common myths about weight loss diets. 1. Myth 1. Skipping meals helps you lose weight. Truth. Skipping meals can slow your metabolism and lead to overeating later. Myth 2. All fats are bad. Truth. Healthy fats, like those from avocados and nuts, are essential for weight loss. 3. Myth 3. You need to cut out carbs completely. Truth. Whole grains like brown rice and quinoa are excellent for weight loss. Conclusion. Creating a diet plan for weight loss doesn't have to be overwhelming. By incorporating balanced meals, staying consistent, and making small lifestyle changes, you can achieve your weight loss goals effectively. Don't forget to subscribe to our channel for more tips on how to eat for weight loss and share your thoughts in the comments below. Let's make your journey to a healthier you a reality. Welcome to our video on creating the perfect diet plan